Hello, everybody. We're back. We're doing another audit on good old Ross here today. The best proven method to make money with AI that nobody talks about. Pretty sure everybody and their mother's talking about something, how to use AI and Claude to make money, Ross. Come on. So, Ross says that AI can pay you as soon as a week. Okay. I give this one a D only because the process that he does and talks about is feasible. It can make money. You can do it. But unrealistic timeframes, unrealistic numbers just don't add up for this one again. And this one is just another D. Okay. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So I ran the audit. I counted several issues that, just contradict his own numbers altogether. Okay. His own numbers, all of them, ebooks priced at $10, ad spend, his words, $5, $10 a day, Fiverr proofreading, $10 to $30. Yeah, right. Now the numbers he says never in okay. Now the numbers he never says the cost per sale of those ads, conversion rate on the landing page, revenue from the method, any of those three words test him the claim. He gives 0 on the 3. He doesn't back up what he's trying to sell you guys. That's the whole point I'm trying to prove to you guys, that why these gurus just try to give you the false and misinformation. And this is basically a video for a funnel. So, okay, here's this keep going here. So, okay, cost per acquisition. That's the real, that's it. One number would have graded the video for me. He runs the whole ad section without it. He doesn't tell you that. He doesn't want you to see what he's telling you, because what he's telling you is basically false hope and misleading information again, Ross. Okay. Thousands of dollars monthly. First sentence is off of the video. Uneducated people have been making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. That's great. Call your viewers stupid and uneducated, Ross. Good one there. No name, no screenshot, no receipt ever. No backup whatsoever. He shows you basically a screenshot that anybody can make up. So he has no valid proof. Okay. 200 AI apps and a tool. He says he personally studied more than 200, never shows the list, never names past the handful on the screen, never mentions it again. So I don't know what he's talking about, what he studied, because there's nothing there to back that up. Let's see. His only income evidence is an old landing page, his own words on the camera. His old is this 20,022 man, 4-year-old proof for a weak claim on a product he admits he stopped selling. Come on, people. What is it going to take for 164,000 of you guys to stop being idiots? Okay. He pays Fiverr proofreaders, then stamps the book as a doctor approved. His words, it's actually a marketing trick. A paid proofread is not an endorsement. Oh my God, that's right. He does ebooks. Are you kidding me? You're not going to make ebooks. You're not going to make money in ebooks. Forget it. Even if you fraudulently claim that it's, proven by a doctor, you're still going to lose money. Don't waste your time. This one is just another hype bullshit video from this guy. Okay. Okay. On the niche research, in his words, I'm not going to bother you with this research. It takes time. The one step that determines whether anything gets waved off. Yeah, because he doesn't want to show you that the stuff is saturated. It's just not there, people. It's not. The video ends up pointing you to his very special underground technique, the same underground language on his course he sells. He sells a course and a paid community off this channel. None of that's disclosed in here. It's just a scam. It's a funnel video. Okay. One more. His own description promotes an ebook app. Booking never appears on the video. Check with the link if it's there before you click it. I don't see it. It's not there. He didn't produce it. Okay. The method on this thing is real. Digital product exists. All this guy tries to do is sell you his funnel, but the product is there. The math showed he got a D. He should have get more than that. Okay. You know, I appreciate you guys for watching. Ross is just another one of those scam artists who tries to sell you his funnel. 164,000 of you, I just don't get what you see and follow in this guy. If you have any of you followed any of his stuff and it works, leave it in the comment. I'd like to be proven wrong, but I can tell you that I'm not going to be proven wrong, because what he's trying to get you to do is basically join his sales team in his funnel. He's not making any money off this crap he's giving you. He's making money when you join his funnel and his crap program. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you've done something from Ross, put in the comment. I'd love to hear about it. Have a good one.